Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, me the best of the best and the real. Shaggy will be hosting a premiere ceremony for the 2019 Grammys, which is a very big excitement after last year Complex tried to bright up themselves about why is Shaggy on stage.
So they had a couple of comments to say in regards of why Shaggy, yes Shaggy, it wasn't me, was performing at the Grammys. I mean, I don't see the problem, but this is what they had to say. Now, the caption alone was just enough. Why the hell is Shaggy here? And then Complex, so they look nasty in the comment boat. If Shaggy can't go, anybody can't go. Listen here, he was invited, okay? The man never just walked on stage. Obviously, they see somewhere he had and nobody else had in particular. Maybe you should do some research before you start chat about people you know nothing about, yeah? Okay, alright.
But it's clear to say that each year we make a step up in our life, and Complex, Shaggy been step up. Dancehall artist Squash has been released from jail after serving 5 months on alleged murder charges. And without missing a beat, he came out with a new song, and here's a clip of that.
Road of it take on now. Road of it take on. Road of it take on now. Them know, them know, them know, them know, them know. Lock down the place with the 45 down. That a clutch back, that a clutch back. We no link with no boy. We happy and we love chat, I love chat. One general in the place, the girl them keep me comfort. Scoop love, Springfield, and you me love black. 13 on the belly and one up top from the friendship. But you know we can't.
There was a touchdown and there was a take off, but somebody's got took down. Stylo had gotten SteffLonDon's remix taken down due to copyright, and SteffLonDon was not happy about that. But in return, SteffLonDon came out with a new beat similar to Touchdown with her own remix, still called Take Off.
Don't panic, done got the auto to the matic. Bitches want war, bring the devil, let him back it. Came in, they ain't shook, why they shaking like my rabbit? Cause they know I'm a boss, like niggas do black magic. Anyhow, this bitch slip like nipples on Miss Janet. Whole squad getting robbed like him did in Paris. London, back to Brum Brum, when we come from Jamaica to Kingston, that's how my island.
And Jamaica is definitely the island to be within the last couple months, because artists have not stopped coming through. First was DJ Khaled, right after that Drake with Tory Lanez, and now Meek Mills. And of course he had to link up with the Killy them Popcorn. Now the question is, will there be music from Meek Mills and Popcorn? Let's find out. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.